As far as I'm concerned, Jonathan did a fantastic job in terms of selling the product for his company. His follow-up work was brilliant. His explanation in the original interview was brilliant. To anyone else who hears this, I'd say you can definitely trust Jonathan to do a good job for you.
At the very beginning, he was a good listener and he wanted to know what we wanted, what we didn't want, and it just felt very comfortable. And I think that's important when for me, it was the first person that I connected with.
We'd already interviewed a couple of other companies, but far and away, Centra's presentation was the best.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you very, very much for coming to our home and giving us such a wonderful introduction and seeing it all the way through to the end. It's been a really wonderful experience and I'm just more than delighted. Thanks again.